Hello. Welcome to the Sage 50cloud Pastel how-to video. In this video we will demonstrate how to use pack sizes and point of sale for Sage 50cloud Pastel. Pack sizes items allows users to take an existing item and use it on user-defined pack, which will have its own quantity, barcode, and price. These pack sizes can only be used in point of sale. Let us use an example where our business sells soda drink machines. In Pastel we would have an inventory item created for the soda drink machine. Remember that item will have its own barcode and unit price. Please note that the item in Pastel is for a single item. In point of sale, we will create the different packs which we sell in. This machine can be sold in singles, 4 packs and 8 pack boxes. Let us create the 4 pack size for this item. In point of sale, click on Setup, Pack Sizes. You will be presented by this window. Select the inventory item you want to create a pack size for and click on New Pack Size button. Give the new pack size a code, description, and a barcode. Indicate the quantities that goes on the pack we are selling. For this example we will enter 4 and leave the pack size action as multiply. Enter the different selling prices for this pack size. When all is done, click on the Create. To create an 8-pack, follow the same steps but add 8 for the quantity ratio, and don't forget to click on Create when done. All the different pack sizes created for the item will display as shown on the screen. To process to the pack size, simply scan the item if the barcodes were used or click on the drop-down under Code when processing. This will bring up the inventory item zoom screen. Select pack size on top and all the different pack sizes will be listed. Select the relevant pack you are selling and proceed processing the document as per normal procedures. When the document is updated, the relevant quantities that are on the pack will be deducted from the original inventory item that was created. Pack sizes allows a single item to be used in different pack sizes that are sold. Users can also take an item they have which may be already a pack size and break it down to smaller packs. Another example is milk, which is bought in pallets and can be sold in 6-pack sides and singles. This all can be done using pack size action. Invoices processed with pack sizes will reflect the converted quantity figure when the invoice is viewed in Pastel. For more information on using point of sale, visit our digital self-help platforms. Thank you for watching.